So this brain teaser of the week is good for bow control. So join me with your violin. We're taking the bow away from the instrument and now going to put it on the D string in the middle of the bow. Come down really gently without it bouncing. Drop your shoulder. Now take your bow away again. Can you bring it back and go on the A string at the heel of the bow? Really gently with no bouncing. Drop your shoulder. Take your bow away again. Now let's put it on the D string at the point of the bow with no bounce. And then take it away again. This time we're going on the G string. Place it in the middle of the bow. Just place it with no bounce. Drop your shoulder. Great stuff. Take it away again. This time we're going to go on the A string at the heel of the bow. No bounce, remember. Drop your shoulder. Take your bow away. Place it on the D string at the point with no bounce. Take it away. Final one. In the middle on the E string. Very gently. Amazing. Really well done.